Hi, my name is Darresia. I ordered some hair from KissByNoreno. My hair came in this package, in this box, in this plastic bag. The kind of hair I have is Brazilian body wave. I have 14-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch. The hair doesn't tangle, or does it shed? There's no shedding, you see? No shedding. I can easily comb the hair without it getting tangled. Here are the bundles. They're pretty thick bundles. This is my first time ordering for them. If you would like to order some hair for them, the website is called KissByNoreno, bigcartel.com. The bundle prices are really good. I paid $177 for my hair with shipment, and I think you guys should order for them.